Hello everyone. Welcome back to English with Kami, your go-to channel for learning English in a fun and informative way. Today, we're going to talk about something that's not only delicious, but also super healthy: fruits. In this video, I'll share with you 10 amazing fruits and their incredible health benefits. Let's dive right in. 1. Apples. First on our list are apples, rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. High in vitamin C, boosting your immune system. Contains antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. 2. Bananas. Next up, we have bananas. Excellent source of potassium, which is essential for heart health and muscle function. Provides energy and is great for pre-workout snacks. Contains vitamin B6, which helps produce red blood cells. 3. Oranges. Now let's talk about oranges. Packed with vitamin C, which enhances your immune system and skin health. Contains fiber, promoting good digestive health. High in antioxidants, reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. 4. Strawberries. Who doesn't love strawberries? High in antioxidants and vitamin C, supporting a strong immune system. Contains manganese, which is good for bone health. Low in calories but rich in fiber, aiding in weight management. 5. Blueberries. Let's move on to blueberries. Known for their high antioxidant content, which helps protect your body from free radicals. Improves brain function and memory. Supports heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels. 6. Grapes. Next, we have grapes. Rich in antioxidants, especially resveratrol, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Supports heart health and lowers blood pressure. Hydrating and low in calories, perfect for a healthy snack. 7. Watermelon. Now let's talk about watermelon. Extremely hydrating due to its high water content. Contains vitamins A and C, which are good for skin and immune health. Rich in lycopene, which has been linked to a lower risk of certain cancers. 8. Pineapple. Next on our list is pineapple. High in vitamin C and manganese, promoting a healthy immune system and strong bones. Contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids in digestion. Anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce arthritis symptoms. 9. Mango. Now let's enjoy the tropical delight of mangoes. Rich in vitamins A and C, supporting eye health and immunity. High in fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Contains antioxidants that protect against cellular damage. 10. Kiwi. Last but not least, we have kiwi. Extremely high in vitamin C, boosting immune health. Contains actinidin, an enzyme that aids in protein digestion. Rich in dietary fiber, promoting healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Conclusion. And there you have it, 10 amazing fruits and their incredible health benefits. Including a variety of fruits in your diet is a delicious way to ensure you're getting the essential vitamins and nutrients your body needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to English with Kami for more educational content. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the knowledge and the health benefits of these wonderful fruits. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay healthy and keep learning.